talk about how can you fix this problem on your Yuka app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here. Then here you're looking for Yuka app, or just click here on search. So then here at Yuka app here, so just click on it, then come to next step here, click here on first stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, then here search for Yuka app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking